discuss about our journeys. And we invite you to share your journey as well.
So that's fine, no problem. Please keep the system again, and you can go around, and forth.
Want this?
What are they doing here? The actual diesel generator from the local engine room. So this is something that helps the boat to run properly. You can see how big that is. Well, tap yourself. Haul. The first thing we got was this bag. I don't remember how much they say it cost, but we have this bag. We have the popcorn thing. Then I got these two things. It's like basically building a vehicle toy from scratch. Yeah, we got those. I got this book on astronomy because a part of my homeschooling, I am trying to teach astronomy. Next, we have this. This was my son's pick for whatever reason. So he got this. Next thing, I got this because I love just learning new things and new facts and those kind of stuff. And this is honestly perfect. And I hope to have some kind of Guinness World Record someday for myself. And then I got this African proverb for homeschool, but also for the culture. I love them already. A hunter with one arrow does not shoot carelessly. You know, those kind of, I love it. African proverbs. And last but not least, I got this for Hughie. It's a book of musician things, you know. So, yeah, this is what we got. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. These, the bags, popcorn, where's the stickers? And of course, we also got this. There's one book I wanted and I put it back at the very last minute, and I kind of regret putting it back. Should have put back these and this and this.